Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help your get start. Keep your sketchbook with you. Having somewhere to lay down your ideas at any time can be a powerful drawing tool. Inspiration can hit at any time and anywhere, so I do recommend grabbing a sketchbook and keeping it near you. Drawing is 50% about seeing and observing what you want to draw. The other 50% is actually drawing it. Keep your sketchbook with you. Inspiration can hit at any time. Other than that, you don't need to use your sketchbook merely for drawing. You can have studies of something you found. You can attach flyers, tickets, photographs that you found while walking or traveling around. Anything that might give your inspiration and ideas can and should be part of your sketchbook. Noting down ideas that occurred to you as you commute from work, school to home, count as well. Sketchbooks are your friends, so do try and bring one with you at all times, even if it's really small. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.